Happening now, a local group working to transform aquatic weeds into fertilizer to help an Augusta neighborhood. News Channel 6's Ashley Osborne talked to the professor leading the project and her students. Actually, the plants are already removed from the canal, but right now they're just thrown away.
Jenny, the team from Augusta University is trying to turn the biomass into something useful instead of just trash. But first, they've got to make sure it's clean and safe, so they're composting it. I'll spare you the science, but in short, composting is taking organic materials, adding some ingredients so it decomposes.
Right now you're doing the temperature?
The bottom's moist.
Professor of Biological Sciences, Dr. Donna Weir, explains one species they're working with is something you typically put in an aquarium, and it's invasive to the canal.
And people get tired of their aquarium, and then what they do is they dump it out. The stuff is just taken over.
The other is native to our water, but it's removed from the generators at Sibley Mill that turn to create hydroelectric power, and once a week, it's hauled off to the dump.
Our objective is to see if we can turn this into a safe and healthy kind of compost that people can use in the Harrisburg area.
Why Harrisburg? Dr. Ware explains there are a lot of heavy metals in the area due to the mills, and student Brianna Barrera describes why those can be harmful.
Because our body doesn't get rid of them as easily as like some of the other minerals and stuff that get into our body. So they just kind of accumulate in different parts of your body.
Sheena Mondedu lists another reason Harrisburg is a focus.
This area is a food desert, which means that there's no fresh fruits and vegetables within miles, so they can grow their own fruits and vegetables. The soil also reduces the concentration of heavy metals, which is why they can't just use the soil in their backyard.
For the final phase, they'll actually grow vegetables in the soil fertilized with their compost. And student Riley Green says they'll compare those veggies to the ones grown in Dr. Ware's garden.
See if they match in like concentrations of heavy metals, because we know those carrots that she's been growing are healthy, are safe to eat.
The girls explain the best case scenario is they find the concentration of heavy metals decreases significantly, so gardeners in Harrisburg can use the soil to grow all sorts of crops. Their project will continue next semester, and if you've walked the Augusta Canal Trail over there by the mills, or if you visited the Croc Center recently, you might have seen their big black bins because that's where they're composting the weeds. Ashley Osborne, WJBF News Channel 6.